In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Safari cookies. If a website keeps asking you to enable cookies or won't remember that you're signed in, cookies are likely being blocked. Cookies are small pieces of data a site stores in your browser to keep you logged in, remember preferences, and make carts and forms work properly. I'll walk you through turning them on in Safari in just a moment, and I'll point out what to expect along the way. First, launch Safari on your device. Make sure you're in an active Safari window so the menu bar and toolbar are visible. If Safari was already open, you don't need to quit. Simply bring it to the front so we can adjust its settings. Next, look for the settings icon inside Safari. Depending on your version, it may appear as a gear, or you may access the same controls from the Safari menu at the top of the screen. Click Preferences. Some newer versions call this Settings. Either way, it opens the panel where Safari's options live. In that panel, click Privacy. This section controls how Safari handles website data, including cookies and tracking prevention. It's the place where you decide what the browser should allow or block. Now locate the setting for blocking cookies. Choose the option labeled Never to stop Safari from blocking them. In some releases, you might see a switch called Block All Cookies. Make sure it is turned off. Selecting Never tells Safari to allow websites to store and read cookies, which is necessary for features like staying signed in or saving items to a cart. That single change usually resolves most sign-in loops and shopping cart issues you'll encounter on the web. Keep in mind, allowing cookies improves functionality but can reduce privacy, so enable them only if you need site features that rely on cookies. You can always come back to this privacy section later and tighten the setting after you finish what you need to do. Once you've made the change, you can close the Preferences window. Your choice is applied immediately. If a page was open while you changed the setting, refresh it so the site can set cookies properly. That's it. You opened Safari, went into Preferences, chose Privacy, and set the Block Cookies option to Never. If a site still complains, check that content blockers aren't interfering. Thanks for watching.